What's up, guys? It's me again. I was just riding and I had some things on my mind, you know. One of them was how much my jacket and my helmet has gotten so loose. The reason why it's loose is because I've been on a diet. I've been doing a dinner fast instead of other diets. The reason I'm doing that is because I've tried the other diets. I've tried to plan my meal and everything, but with my job I can be here today and tomorrow, and then I'll have to go work somewhere else in another state. So there was times where I did meal prep, I had everything set, and I had to come back and throw it away because I had to go out of town. That's why I decided to do the dinner fast. It's easier for me. The reason why is some of the places that we go, there's no Walmart. You can buy salad. It's hard to meal prep, you know, because some jobs can take a day, some jobs can take about 3 or 4 days, it can take a month. I just don't know. So that's why I decided to go that route. Has it worked? Yes, it has. I've gone from 240 to 218. It's a big change, you know. My goal is to get to 200 or under 200. I don't know what kind of diet has any of you tried, and let me know what's worked for you. The only reason why I'm on this diet is because my cholesterol level was so high. Doctor got on me really bad. The cholesterol level wasn't just barely, it's quite a bit. It was at 1,224, and the limit's like from 1 to like 149. My liver should have been like 100, and it was like 800 and something. Doctor got upset with me. He told me I need to do this or else he'll see me in the hospital or in my funeral. I knew he wasn't playing around. I know him for about 10 years. I was on high blood pressure pills, cholesterol pills and stuff, so he took me off all of that. So he told me I have to do it all naturally. He doesn't want to take any chances, especially with my liver. That's why I have to lower that cholesterol. I've been eating salmon, fish, some certain fish, not all kinds of fish though. I've been eating salads, or I try to eat salads, and then at night I do the dinner fast. Dinner fast is pretty good because breaking down all that food and stuff. If you don't eat, it helps your body, you know. So at night I just drink water. I drink plenty of water, Gatorade if I need to. Not too much Gatorade though, just a little bit of Gatorade, just so I don't flush out all my electrolytes. And try not to think about food or look at food. Even though every time I try to do that dinner fast, there's always food popping up, people talking about food, so it doesn't help. But it's okay though. In the beginning it was hard. It was very hard. It wasn't easy. Especially, man, you're over here starving. You're really starving, and man, your mind is just thinking about the food. Once you get used to it, it's alright, you know. The bad thing is sometimes our project managers for our company will come out and take us out for dinner. I cheat, I'm not gonna lie. I'll sit there and have a nice big steak. Hey, you know what? I was doing good that week, so I might as well enjoy it. It's free. That's what I've been working on as far as myself, you know, is trying to lose weight. I thought I'd share that with you. There's different options you can try out, you know. I know there's people that can't really do certain diets because they're on medication, which is understandable. You gotta at least try. I know the doctor gave me a stern warning. I've never seen him like that before. That's why I changed. Give me some feedback. Let me know what you have tried before in the past and what's worked. Well, I'll see you guys on the next one.